Ultimate Guide to Resolving iPhone Wi-Fi Connectivity Issues on iPhone. Check your router and modem. Ensure your router and modem are plugged in and turned on. Try restarting them by unplugging for about 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. Check if other devices can join the Wi-Fi. If not, the problem might be with your network. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi network. In your device settings, go to Wi-Fi. Next to your Wi-Fi name, tap on the information icon. Select Forget this network. After a few seconds, connect to your Wi-Fi again. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reset Network Settings. In the Settings app, go to General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Disable VPN. Open your device settings app. Next to VPN, toggle the switch to turn the feature off. Check for carrier updates. Go to General Settings in the Settings app. Tap About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear asking you to update. Tap Update. Restart your iPhone. When you restart your iPhone, it shuts down all processes and clears the random access memory. It can resolve conflicts or errors that occur during the operation of the device. Check for physical damage. If your iPhone has been dropped, bumped, or exposed to water, it could have harmed the internal components that help it connect to Wi-Fi. If damaged, your iPhone might struggle to find, connect to, or maintain a stable Wi-Fi connection. Take your device to an authorized service center for an inspection. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.